Hey, this is my first live. I don't know if it's working or not, but here we are, day one of the Tamco Takeover. It is lunchtime. Everybody's over at the food trucks. Custom fine line tape booth over here. And we got all our classes over here. Well, let's just make a stroll through, see what's going on here. We have Tim Lowry's advanced airbrush class here. Here is my class with JR, helmet painting class. We've got S9 tumblers, Randy Schroeder over here. This is the intro to airbrush, or intermediate airbrush. Chad Kidder, Ron Jordan, and Kevin Keegler. We got RWD over here. Does some amazing work. We got the pinstriping over here. Danny Riddle. We got old D-Dog Price here teaching some boys some pinstriping. We got the sick one over here on lunch break. And we got Jeremy Green and Pat Dry doing auto body class over here. And we got Gooch Customs, Brandon McCoy and Adam Lassier, Atomic Cycle Coatings over here. No lunch break for these guys. Here's Mike Finnegan's mini truck. It's getting taped up. We got Smithworks here, Matt Hutchinson. Graphics all getting laid out on this baby. So I'm sure I'll try to go live again. Just thought I'd bring you all quick little video and a little tour of what's going on since we're on a little lunch break here. So if you like what you see, there's something else you want to see, let me know. I'll try to go live again, try to do this each day. All right, well, y'all have a good one.